Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to show you what we did to improve the high-speed internet connectivity in my small town of Grandview, Manitoba. We did that by installing our own GPON fiber optic internet system. In this shot, we had to locate existing utilities so we could cut in our vaults and install our conduit. Right here you'll see the directional drill breaking through. Then we'll attach the conduit and pull it back.
Fill your water. Stop. Obviously we'll let you know.
This is the drill you saw break through in the previous shot. Now it's pulling back on the conduit and placing the drill rod back on its rack. Thanks to Crossman Directional Drilling from Reston, Manitoba for doing all the contracting and duct installation for us. We've worked with these guys before. They're a great crew. Quick, efficient, clean, and professional. Here you can see us drilling down one of the back lanes in my town, just preparing to connect a few residences. I'm glad that we could be directly involved with improving the internet connectivity in my small town. But as the season's coming to a close, we have to do our best to prepare for winter. Although these last few days were nice, as you will soon see, the weather quickly turned. Due to rain or snow melting, some of these conduits can fill with water, so it was important for us to pull in the fiber cable before the ground got too cold and froze the pipes. Usually in winter, the vaults are completely buried with snow, so here's Scott locating the lid for one now. Check out this one, completely full of water. Next is the clean part, splicing the fiber optic strands. We've often utilized the pop-up ice shack. If it's too cold, we run a propane heater in there. It does the trick nicely. What we're doing here is placing one of the strands into the cleaver. This will cut the fiber perfectly straight so that we can put it into the fusion splicer and it'll be the correct length. Don't forget to put on your splice protector. We're going for 0.0 loss on the splice here. That's a good one. Here you can see the finished splices being put into the splice tray. Here's our Ubiquiti GPON head end. Currently we're just using the one GPON module, And we have it plugged into a splitter just like this. It's quite easy to distribute your network into several ONTs. Here's an ONT, and this is one of the pigtails that we use, an SC connector. We'll splice it onto our fiber and plug it in. If the module is outdoors, we'll place it in a weatherproof container such as this, or if it's indoors, we can use one of these. You've got the extra spot for your slack on the left and space for the ONT on the right. Here's some speed tests that we ran at customer locations in our town before we switched them over to our new fiber optic network. Some of them were pretty bad. Now check this out, almost 500 up and down. Quite an improvement from what was available before. Not all customers are subscribing to these speeds yet either. So as time goes on and people's requirements grow, we can simply just dial them up. If you're interested in doing something like this in your community, I encourage you to give it a shot. Who knows, it might just fly and you can improve the connectivity for everyone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, just hit me up below and I'll do my best to help you out.